CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In brief, this brief short 1-minute video, what I'm showing you is my exact play. And with Circle Internet stock, bro, all I'm here to tell you is that I was so on point, like very, very on point. Having done 42,000 videos, it's not like I haven't seen it happening. I've taken like 4 trades, 1 break even and 3 wins, and this seems too good to be true. But if you have been following my CRCL freaking stuff, you will know what I mean, man. Like, this is 12 days back, 6th of June. Bro, this is just nuts. I quite like it. Not quite like it, I absolutely adore it. Like, even this color here. That's when it was 76 bucks. This is the most recent color here. Post market where it was 151 23 hours ago. So decent. But if you do want to learn post markets even going higher, so the way that I'll look at this is hopefully buy more if it corrects down and gives you more rules, but I'll keep you updated. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free email.